Alright, let's see. Oh, gee willikers, what's for dinner? Shredded pork with Szechuan sauce. You want some? Do I? Yes, I do, of course.
Hi everyone, welcome to What's for Dinner. My name is Gordo, this is my dad. Okay, hello everybody. He was a chef and restaurant owner for more than 20 years and he's here to teach us how to cook simple Chinese dishes at home. So if you want to learn more Chinese dishes, please like and subscribe to our channel. Anyways, today we are making shredded pork with Szechuan sauce.
Yes.
If you're looking to mix something that is packed with flavor and a hint of spice, look no further. Shredded pork with Szechuan sauce is a great dish to cook with your family and it is easy to make. To get started, you will need pepper, vinegar, sugar, red and green bell pepper, fermented chili black bean paste, pork, a can of bamboo shoot strips, cornstarch, salt, and chicken flavoring. Alright, let's get started on the prep. We're first going to open up our can of bamboo shoots and dump it into the bowl and drain the water. Then for the bell peppers, we will just be using half of each, so cut out the core and dice each one into thin slices. And for the pork, you're going to slice each one into pieces and then afterwards lay them flat and then slice them into thin slices like this as well. Okay, now that's done, let's marinate the pork. First, we're going to break an egg open and scramble it and add a little bit of it to the pork. Then we're going to add a small spoon of sugar, 1 spoon of salt, a spoon of chicken flavoring, and a few twists of pepper and mix it around. Then add a splash of water and a spoon of cornstarch and mix it through. And then you're going to add a splash of oil and mix it through once more and then you're done. Let it marinate for about 15 minutes and it's ready to cook. And now let's do our little marinade happy dance. Alright, first we're going to get the pan nice and hot and we're going to add a little bit of oil in there. Once you see the oil is shimmering, let's pour in the pork strips and saute it until you see a little bit of caramelization and color, and then you can take it out. In another pan, we're going to add some water in it and bring it to a boil. Once it's at a boil, put in the bamboo shoots until it comes to a boil again and then get a strainer and drain the water. This process helps get rid of the funky bamboo flavor and smell. Then we're going to quickly make our sweet and sour sauce. In a separate bowl, pour in 4 to 5 spoons of vinegar, 5 to 6 spoons of sugar, and then we're going to add 2.5 spoons of supreme soy sauce. Stir everything up until emulsified and give it a taste and add any extra sugar or vinegar if needed. Alright, now that we're done prepping the sauce, let's get everything together. First, let's turn up the gas to medium heat and add a little bit of oil. Then you're going to add your garlic and bell peppers and saute them for a little bit until they get fragrant. Then add in your bamboo shoots in there and toss it all around. Then you're going to turn the gas all the way down and we're going to add 4 spoons of the sweet and sour mixture. Then add 1 or 2 spoons of the chili black bean paste, depending on how spicy you want it. Then you're going to turn the gas back to medium-high and mix everything together, and then you're going to add in your pork. Toss everything around for about 30 seconds to a minute and then get a small cup and mix some cornstarch and water together and add a small spoon or 2 to thicken up the sauce and toss everything together one last time and you're done. Pour it over your best china and chop up some green onions for garnish and sprinkle it on top and it's ready to serve.
Alright, let's see. Oh, gee willikers, what's for dinner? Shredded pork with Szechuan sauce. You want some? Do I? Yes, I do, of course.
Whoa,
Well, let's try some.
Yes, I like. Yeah, try.
Wow, look at this.
Whoa.
Flavor. Oopsies.
Wow.
This is like delightful.
Yeah. I see.
A little bit of spiciness.
What is that? Combination sauce?
Some bamboo.
Yes.
Don't mind if I do.
Oh, slow down there, buddy.
You're right.
Yeah.
Flavorful, sweet.
Yep, it's delicious. All right, well, thank you everyone. Like and
Thanks,
subscribe if
everybody.
you like it.
Bye bye.
Bye.